So this is the downstairs of the Roamer. There's the panel for the inverter. Good size fridge. Stove. Those go into bunk beds. This deal lifts up, folds up, down in there. SETI over there. Windows, pretty bright in here, always has been. Nice V-berth. Long lost yellow raft. Good ventilation here. Here. Storage up there. Storage down here. Down here. Hanging locker. Storage. 3 drawers under here. Storage. Head. Not so much showering aboard, but definitely going potty. Down below, engine, starboard, port, new deck a while back. Command center, Raymarine, electronics, Fishhawk, more Raymarine electronics. Canon downriggers, nice woodwork, cover, floor, pretty good shape, some paint issues. Looking